Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Time.
What does the dictionary say?
The indefinite continued progress of existence and events in the past, present, and future regarded as a whole. Often measured in hours, minutes, and seconds.
Math rap.
Big and little hands on an analog clock. Minutes and hours pass, seconds go tick-tock. Time is how long things take from start to finish at a certain rate.
Math rap.
A broken clock tells the right time twice a day. Explain. Explain the concept of time in your own words. How many seconds are there in a day? How many minutes are there in a month? How many hours are there in a year? Where are you or what are you doing when time seems to fly by quickly? How many push-ups can you do in 1 minute? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!